Can't find the music option when uploading a WhatsApp status? Don't worry, I'll walk you through what to do to fix it in a few simple steps. Start by checking if your WhatsApp is up to date. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for WhatsApp, and if you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, reopen WhatsApp and check if the music icon appears in the status section. If it's still not showing, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, WhatsApp, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. On iPhone, go to Settings, General iPhone. Storage, find WhatsApp, tap Offload app, then reinstall it. This helps clear bugs without deleting your chats. If the feature is still missing, you can reach out to WhatsApp support. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Help, Help Center, and search for Features. Scroll down and tap Contact Support, then briefly explain that the music option is missing and ask them to activate it for your account. And if none of these work, there's a workaround. You can still add music to your WhatsApp status using Instagram. I've got a separate video showing you exactly how to do it. Make sure to check it out. For more helpful fixes and updates, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.